What if you could see what a caller is saying before you decide to answer? Your iPhone can actually do that. It's called live voicemail, and it's one of the smartest features Apple has added. Here's how to turn it on. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Tap Phone. Now tap Live Voicemail. Make sure it's switched on. That's it. Now here's how it works. The next time someone calls, you don't have to answer straight away. If the call goes to voicemail, your iPhone starts transcribing the caller's message in real time. As they speak, you'll see their words appear live on your screen. If it's an important call, you can answer at any point while they're leaving the message. The caller won't know you were reading the transcript. It simply looks like you've answered the phone normally. This is brilliant for avoiding spam calls, unknown numbers, sales calls, or deciding whether a call is worth interrupting your day. Imagine you're in a meeting, watching a film, or just don't recognize the number. Instead of guessing, you can see exactly why they're calling before picking up. One thing to know, live voicemail is available on supported iPhones running recent versions of iOS, and availability may vary depending on your region and carrier. If you don't see the option, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. This is one of those features that quietly saves you time every single week. Once you start using it, you'll wonder why you ever answered unknown numbers without it. Follow for more iPhone tips that actually make life easier.